Hi, it's Stace. I am very excited today. I just got my mystery dip package for April 2025 from Goldspot pens, and I'm excited to do an opening and find out what treasures I have inside. I have to do some kind of setup here. My desk isn't ideal for over the top shots, so let me see what I can figure out, and I'll be right back with this. Okay, here we go. Let's unwrap this package. I should have cut apart this wrapping before starting. This only took 3 days to get here from Goldspot, which I was really impressed with. I thought it would take a little bit more time. Nice box here. I also ordered another pen and some ink. That's why this box is as big as it is. So let's see what we've got here. How does this box open? Mystery box, there it is. No, that doesn't open. One of these ends must open. Else why were they taped? Okay, here we go. Oh, there's another pouch inside. And that's my other stuff in there. We'll get that out in a minute. Let's do the mystery pouch. Look at this. It's like a birthday present. I love presents and getting surprises in the mail. My love language is gifts, and I most often buy gifts for myself. Let's open this up and see. Very sticky seal on that. All right. We've got a box, which is a pen, some inks, and another little box. Okay, let's start here. This says Esterbrook. We're supposed to get a journaling supply with this mystery dip. And what I've got is this beautiful, look at that. It's I think like a pen clip or like a book clip to hold your book open while you're journaling or writing. That's really beautiful. I love that. So pretty. Okay, let's put this over here. And these inks are some diamine fountain pen inks. Looks like there's a series. So I don't know what happened. I'm really bummed out. My recording wasn't going or not, but yeah, so I'm not exactly sure what happened. I'm new at this. I'll just say that. This is the pen I got. It's an Esterbrook Model J. Came in this lovely box. It's a Model J Ebonite, blackberry with gold trim, and here is the reveal. Look at that. It's gorgeous. It's a little dusty. I love the band on this. It's kind of hammered gold. Very nice. Look at that. It's so pretty. It's a gold tone nib. Little flower on it. Let's see, try to position. Okay. Nice converter there. I'm really looking forward to trying this pen out. Let's see if I can figure out what size nib it is. Boxe FP, so I think it's a fine point. There's a little card that came with it. Esterbrook. scan to activate your pen. What the heck does that mean? Activate your pen. How weird is that, Esterbrook? I think the point of a fountain pen is that you don't have to scan to activate it. All right, so this is really excellent. The price of this pen, of this whole set, was like $175, which is supposedly about 200 or half off the price of the pen itself. And I will add the price in here somewhere, the actual price of this, retail price of this pen. But you know, we've also got the cartridges and this lovely book holder along with this kit. So I mean, this is a really good deal, and I get to try a pen that I might not have taken the leap with yet. So, and I'm so happy because purple is my favorite color. There's the finial there. So pretty. I love the little flower. And I'm going to try this out. I'm going to clean this out, and then we'll try some writing samples with it. But first I want to look at what else I got in my box that I ordered. And then I'll just see what happens when I scan that. I can't scan it right now because I'm using my camera to film. All right, let's see what else I got from Esterbrook. I mean, from Goldspot. I ordered some I ordered a few ink samples. I love when I can pick out what samples I'm going to get, but these are random samples. So let's see what I got. This is tape closed. I'm an addict for inks, I'm afraid. All right, we have Sailor Hawaii. That's a kind of a blue. And I don't know what this is. There's a number, but it's red of some kind. So I'll have to look it up on the Goldspot site. And this is Sailor Suboku, which looks like it's blue or purple as well. All right, what else did I get? Good stuff, guys. All right, here is the bottle of ink I bought for myself. Open this. This is one of the favorites that I've sampled this past 6 months that I've been doing this. It is the Edelstein Golden Lapis, which is just gorgeous. I don't know if you've tried that ink or not, but here, let me show you my sample card of it. I don't know if this captures it. It's this lovely blue, and it has this gold shimmer in it. And it writes just as beautifully as that. I've never had, none of my shimmer inks write with as much shimmer consistently as that one does. So I'm very excited to have a full bottle of that. I'd like to write with it for a long time. And then I also bought what is this pen. These were both impulsive purchases in a panic about the economy. I'm like, tariffs and everything. I'm like, I may not be able to buy any pens for months. Years, who knows. So what I have here is Retro 51 Mermaid Tornado Popper. It's a lovely box. I don't know which, I may turn this video upside down. I don't know. We'll see. I'll show it both ways. I love this box, kind of round and fun. This is a limited edition from Retro 51, and I saw the pictures of it, and it's exactly my aesthetic. so I had to get, and then I was like, oh, maybe not. But then I was buying the mystery spot, the mystery dip, and saw a sign that there's only a few left. Don't miss out. So I went ahead and gave into the marketing. Here we go. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. It's like holding a little bit of magic in your hands. If you haven't seen my magic video, this is the one that is the magic wand. Look at the beautiful little seashell there in the I know it's not focusing. All right, well, there's a seashell in the finial. It's this beautiful shiny finish and with these iridescent colors. I love it. I love it. Look at that. So pretty. I am just going to love writing my fantasy stories with this. I believe I got a medium nib, which is my favorite for writing with. Yeah, medium. I'm not a big fan of fine points for everyday writing. I have big handwriting, kind of messy handwriting, and I feel it just, I've settled on medium as the most comfortable for me to look at when I write. So that is my Retro 51 Mermaid limited edition tornado popper. I don't know what tornado popper refers to. I'm not familiar with this brand of Retro 51 either, so I'm excited to try out a couple new brands. I'm going to clean this along with the Esterbrook and do some writing samples in a little bit.